Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to create an account in CHAT GPT Android. Once we have installed the CHAT GPT application on Android, we are going to open it. Here we are going to click on the Login option. You could also click directly on Sign Up with Email. Within this window, click on the Sign Up option. Now it will ask you for the email to create your account and later the phone number. You can also use other methods like using your Google, Microsoft, or Apple account. Once we choose one of these methods to create our account, we can use CHAT GPT. Click on Continue to continue. Now we can talk to CHAT GPT and ask him things. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.